So, first of all, I'm going to apologise. I've rushed ahead, didn't film it, but the engine is out of the bike. I went to get it done, get it out, so we can get it shipped off and exchanged for the Scrambler engine. So, as you can see, engine is definitely out of the motorcycle now. All the wiring is still attached. I've taken the headlight off and I'm about to remove the handlebars. Swing the arms out. I did a bit of a clean, but it needs a proper going over. But I'm about to take handlebars, top yoke off, start getting that ready to swap out the headstock bearings and do a first trial fit of the Tiger front end. So yeah, sorry I jumped ahead, but I want to get this done and get us to a point where we can actually start building a motorcycle. I want to thank everybody for clicking like, subscribe. The view count on the videos is really accelerating now, and we couldn't do these videos without your support, so thank you for that. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed or you're new here, click like and subscribe. We create havoc with many motorcycles, and yeah, I guess you can watch me take some handlebars off now. I'll speak to you in a bit, guys. So, as I alluded to earlier in the video, front end is off. Already taking the engine out, and we'll be making strides forward. I've got the taper roller kit in the box, big box of spare parts. So I'll dig down in there, find out the dig out the taper roller conversion kit, get that swapped over. Got a lot of cleaning up to do on the frame, tidy some wiring up and stuff, but got to get organised in here first now. It looks like a bomb's gone off. It's you can see all of this wheels and engine stuff, so I've made arrangements. We're going to do the engine swap next weekend. Got to get that shipped up to them, and they're going to send the other one back. Front end is out, obviously. Got the new front end over there ready to try on. We'll do a dry fit of that, tidy some of this up, clean the frame up, clean some of this mess up, and yeah, get on with building. But just want to say thank you for joining us, guys. As I said earlier, click like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Really helps the channel out. Yeah, join me in the next one. So hopefully we'll be putting a front end on. See you guys. Take it easy.